Hey everyone, is it really possible for a $350 smartphone to have premium features, a 120 Hz refresh rate, AMOLED display, and flagship-level performance? The POCO X7 Pro shows that bygone days are not as far as they once appeared. The design of the POCO X7 Pro is dramatic and eye-catching. The model I own has a matte finish plastic edge, a bright yellow power button as an emphasis, and a black and yellow color scheme with a faux leather back. There are more subdued color choices, such as black and green, but not everyone will like this striking style. Because of its IP68 rating, the phone can survive exposure to dust and fresh water up to 1.5 meters deep. A USB-C cable, a 90-watt fast charger, a premium silicone case, and a pre-applied screen protector are all included in the box. However, the latter easily picks up smudges. One of the phone's most notable characteristics is the display. It has an AMOLED screen with a resolution that is marginally higher than Full HD. The automatic brightness adjustment is dependable and seamless. Changing to the bright setting balances colors effectively, as the default color profile tends to be cooler. Although some applications, such as Telegram, default at 60 Hz until individually altered, the 120 Hz refresh rate improves the user experience. Remarkably, Pro variant has Gorilla Glass 7i, whereas the basic POCO X7 has Victus 2. The choice was probably made because the curved edge design of base X7 needed more protection. Furthermore, although the Pro model supports 2 physical SIM cards and NFC for contactless payments, it does not support eSIM, but the standard X7 does. POCO X7 Pro delivers excellent performance. With its flagship-level benchmark scores, it is powered by the Dimensity 8400 Ultra chipset. With barely sporadic micro-stutters, which are typical even on expensive phones, daily use is seamless. Effective thermal control results in little heating when playing games or performing demanding jobs. Xiaomi's HyperOS 2.0, which is aesthetically pleasing and incredibly customizable, runs Android 15 on the phone. There are plenty of customization choices and fluid animations. The fact that switching backgrounds from the home screen opens an ad-supported, pre-installed program instead of system settings is a small annoyance though. The camera configuration uses Sony's IMX882 sensor, which has a 50 megapixels primary sensor with an f1.5 aperture and optical image stabilization. It takes excellent pictures in a variety of settings, and even 2x zoom shots retain a lot of detail. The 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera needs good lighting to take good pictures and does not have autofocus. Even with glasses, the 20 megapixels front-facing camera can recognize faces in well-lit environments. Another advantage is battery life. Even with intensive use, 6,000 mAh silicon carbon battery readily lasts an entire day. When used in a variety of ways, screen time can amount to almost 9 hours. With bundled 90-watt charger, it charges remarkably quickly. Lack of wireless charging is a small disadvantage though. So POCO X7 Pro is a fantastic value for the money. It has flagship-level performance, a gorgeous AMOLED display with great brightness, little PWM flicker, and long battery life for about $340. Given the phone's overall advantages, it is easy to ignore its minor shortcomings, such as the absence of an eSIM, wireless charging, and ultra-wide video limits. The POCO X7 Pro is a great option if you want a strong smartphone without going over budget. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.